welcome to my YouTube channel. So today a new day with a new question. I have brought you for you with tick operator. So today we will solve this. It's a really easy question. The task why we are doing this is you can know how to solve the questions in Hackerrank. So let's do the question. Okay, so for today we have a task that is to read two integers from the standard input and print three lines. So the first task is to first line contains the sum of two numbers. Okay, so first task is to take the input. Okay, so the input will contain the two lines. So let's have it. Okay, this is a Python 3. Okay, so we will be taking a two input which will be an integer type. A is equals to integer input and b is equals to integer input. Okay, so we have taken the two input as per the requirements. Now we have to do the task. The first line contains the sum of two numbers. Okay, so we have to print the sum of two numbers. So print a plus b. This is really an easy question. Our second task is the second line contains the difference of two numbers, that is first minus second. So our first number is a and the second number is b. So we have to print a minus b. So Python makes it really easy. Whatever we read, we just have to perform it. The third line contains the product of the two numbers. Okay, so according to this, print a into b. Sorry, a into b. Yeah, so is our task completed? Yes. The first line contains integer a, second line contains the second integer b. Our constraints are a will be from 1 to 10 raised to 10. So you can consider there in Python you don't have to worry about this because Python can take as long as it is possible. So print the three lines as explained above. The sample input 0 is 3 and 2. So 3 plus 2 5, 3 minus 2 that is 1 and 3 into 2 is 6. So we have written a code. Now let's execute it. Yeah, so our sample test case has passed. So let's submit the code. Yeah, so we have successfully completed our today's task. Thank you.